Hello my friends, welcome to this electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha with you, and today we're gonna actually repair this screen because we got this, so stay with me and we do it together. So if you remember, in my previous video I did disassemble this tablet. Now I see it's still kind of in disassembled state because its screen was showing shit and it was flickering, and because probably we do have some kind of liquid damage inside the screen. So but deemed this tablet is actually repairable, and just replacing the screen, I thought I will get new screen and I make this guy work again. So today, I still need this. Today, let me open this up quickly. For some reason it's not cooperating in this area. Okay. So today we got this, a screen. So I purchased the screen on eBay, which apparently is supposed to be a screen for this device. So we will take a look at that a bit closer, but already I see something funny here. So this is supposed to be OEM screen. It's but it's branded some kind of claw, and also it's supposed to be black, and I got white. Well, I guess I got what I paid for because I paid not much for it at all. So yeah, we'll see if this is gonna electronically fit. It seems like pretty similar screen, but we will remain to see what's up with this guy. So in order to replace the screen, we would have to do a little bit of unscrewing. Technically we don't have to unscrew like pretty much everything right here, just because in order to replace screen, it's screen already unglued. In order to replace screen, I just need to detach it right from here. It's already unglued, so it will be super easy. You see, I can even do it with my nail right here, and remove this connector and pass this through. So let's do it together quickly. For that I probably would need something like this sharp. No, first I need to disconnect this connector. Nice. It's already disconnected. It's not even connected. Okay, this disconnected, this disconnected. So screen was just shoved down and not even connected, because last time, yeah, it's just as easy as that. It's already detached. Yeah, I just left it like this. So here we are. So here is the screen. So let's compare those two screens, and it looks like they are physically sort of similar. Obviously I already peeled the shielding from over here, and the shielding is here. I just saved it for giggles, but I don't think I would need that. Oh wow, it's stuck for good. Okay, it's a bit, okay, I'm gonna move it here because it's quite sticky and annoyingly. So, okay. So here is the new screen, and made in Taiwan, in looks DB1, exactly the same version. So I think we are cool. Obviously the faceplate is different. Technically, if I'm really adventurous, I can peel this off and just use it here. But honestly, I must tell you, I do not want to do this. What I'm gonna do, and there is no glue. They actually supply some glue strips. But before I apply all those glue strips, obviously I would like to see it's working. So the main thing, so the only thing which I'm gonna do right now, just shove it through this hole, okay? Connect it right here. That's only what I need to have connected. This voltage converter, it's just gonna be dangling right here, and let's just power it up and see what we get. It's supposed to be charged. Alright, so it is showing stuff. Okay, it's too bright here. Okay, let me move it from... so we need to obviously check the touchscreen, but so far so good. I'm not sure if we're gonna keep this screen now, but yeah, we have new screen which we're gonna have. Swipe to unlock. Screen works. What's going on here? Okay, It's just slow because after I think after I reset this firmware to the latest version, I never actually was able to log in because screen was going not so. So, and we have working, and this is Android 6 if I'm mistaken. Let me check. I don't even know what the heck is this. I never actually get that far because of the crazy flickering issues. Okay, where is general more? No, it's not here. Oh, about tablet. Yeah, software info. Android 7, not the worst, from 2016, not the worst Android, it's good. Android 7 is actually good Android. I like Android 7. Alright, so well, this is probably gonna be a short video, because here we are, we have working tablet, and this is actually more or less decent tablet with some cool features, including the USB OTG port right here. So you have port over here and you have port over here. Nice to see, and the colors are good. The only thing is, instead of LG, now this is gonna be called Qua, which maybe even mean 3 or something in some languages. Well, another issue I have to address is to use that. I've never actually used this sort of glue tabs. I don't even know how would I do them. They might be thermal, so yeah, I have to really learn a little bit more. Thermal or double-sided? Oh, they are double-sided. Okay, they're just double-sided tapes. So I'm probably not gonna use that at all. So I'm just gonna use special thermal set or thermal glue, which I don't have. Another very interesting option that I thought about is to use flux. So you apply several drops of flux, then you are heated up, it's gonna melt, and then when you remove it, it's gonna stick. This is my crazy theory, okay? Don't quote me on that. This is just something I thought about to experiment, and maybe part number... Oh my god, what's happening here? Are you working or are you just flipping out? Okay, it scared me for a second. Maybe in part of the 3 I will do this experiment with this particular screen just for giggles. Obviously, if this screen gonna be heated, this screen gonna fall out. But you know, same with this one. If you heat it good enough, it essentially can just unglue. All right, so I think we have success. Screen is good. This bad screen essentially, the all issues are only in this bad screen. So this video turned out to be pretty short. I still need to... Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, maybe I would need to actually glue things together on the perimeter, because when I press here, you see this? Yeah, it's sort of not holding. That's gonna be like ghetto kind of ugly kind of solution here. So okay, let me actually apply those tapes, and then if I wanted to, I peel them off and do something else, some other experiments. Maybe part 3 never gonna happen. Alright guys, I already peeled one of these things, and I also decided to use my gloves not to leave finger fat on the surfaces here. Okay, so let's just try to apply. I'm not sure how big are they. Apply one. Just like why wouldn't they just leave it here, apply it here? So again, I understand why it was cheap, because you have to do all this yourself. Okay, one. Okay, I'm gonna apply second one right on this side. Yeah, okay, don't see that, I guess. Okay, 2. On this side, just let it press on it. Okay, now we have to have, I think, 1 protruding a little bit further. I don't like this sort of work. This is a little bit too precise. Yeah, we might use this somewhere here. For now, this is for now. Maybe I make this more pieces like this. Alright, and take another one. Another one will go on this side. And this little piece will go here for now. Alright, just randomly. So now let's try to peel protection of this tape, top layer I mean. Hey, hello. Let's see if I'm doing something wrong or this is just my luck. It's not cooperating. Okay, can just peel it off. Ta-da! One is removed. Second one is removed. Okay, this dinky one probably just whatever. It's removed as well. Removed as well. Thinking to add one more in the bottom here. Oops. Change my mind, not here. Maybe somewhere here. So let's press on it like this. Remove like this, and for the good measure just want to redo this again essentially, which means I would have to peel everything off again. So I would add one in here. Okay, press on it. Make sure it adhere well. And remove. Okay. So now we have on the other side of the surface clean as well. All this perimeter clean with alcohol, and this obviously when I glue the other ones is clean with alcohol. And now let's just insert it and see how that's gonna fly. It seems like it's a little bit inset. I didn't expect. Okay, this is gonna be wrapped under. and we're gonna apply some pressure right here. Obviously not any kind of waterproofness, anything like that it's gonna have. So ta-da! This, by the way, I'm not even planning to glue. This doesn't matter, right? Doesn't matter to me, not gonna glue it. So now all screws already in place, except I think I lost one screw right here, but whatever. Okay, so we're gonna just put this back on. Oops, oh my god, that's, yeah, that was wrong. Put this on, lock it up, and power it up, okay? Yeah, I'm an idiot because I forgot to connect the screen. Interesting, probably have a tablet right now freaking out like, what's going on? Yes, and now to turn it off, that's gonna be a very interesting procedure. So you have to yank the power. So okay, we put this connector back on, and I just noticed I disconnect the battery just in case I forgot to mention. And notice this is not connected. Okay, this is connected, this is all secured. Is this secured? Let me check with the screwdriver. It's too. Let me check with the screwdriver. It's all secured. Battery secured. Yeah, somehow I missed two screws. I don't know where are they. Alright, so this is all secured. This I'm not gonna glue. I'm gonna just leave it like it is. So I put the battery on, power the device up, and now let's just connect. Maybe eventually this tablet will gonna die because it was exposed to water, and maybe something will corrode irreversibly, and I won't be, this will not gonna be operate anymore. But for now, I think this is a decent tablet, so let's power it up. Ta-da! It even vibrates because, yeah, before I forgot to connect this connector. Sweet, so we have operational tablet. Now I have to peel off this screen protector, which I'm not gonna be peeling off at the moment. I would probably keep it. The problem is it has bubbles, so yeah, probably I will peel it off. Also, it's very important to update your tablet to the latest version, but our goal is to fix the screen is achieved. We have successfully replaced the screen on this tablet, and as you see, it was really simple. You did not need to have any fancy tools or anything like that. So if you have some kind of pry tool, like for example something like that, you can peel your screen off when you heat it up. So yeah, it's easy as that. And you can buy a replacement screen for like $20, and then here we are, you can have your operational tablet back. And now if you don't like the old Android, you always can install something like Lineage OS, which doesn't have any bloatware and things like that, to revive this tablet. To obviously it's not going to be as good as modern tablets with nice camera, things like that, but for general purpose, you know, browsing the internet, watching movies and things like that, for kids just poking around, that's gonna be really good. And obviously now we have not LG but Qua, but at least in this size it says LG and Gpad III. And screen here is nice, and it's identical as good as this original screen. So guys, Well, I guess the conclusion here, if you really want to fix something, you can. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Any comments, please fire it up. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. I'll be happy to talk to you. If you have any suggestions and ideas, I'll be really happy to hear from you. So have a nice day and see you next time. Just checked for software update and turned out to be this is the latest official version of Android. So Android 7 is, that's what I stuck, not even 7.2 or something like that. It's the latest software for current device, unfortunately. So maybe I will install 7.0. Maybe I will install eventually the Lineage OS or something to this extent. Yeah, well, but still, it's working. It's good.